So not only is the INEOS Grenadier hard to see out of factory, as well when you're putting in panels, it makes it difficult. On mine, I've got MOLLE panels in the back, and it's like looking through a pillbox. So the Wolfbox is a great advantage. Hey, John with Agile Offroad, and if you've got a Grenadier, you've probably looked into a Wolfbox mirror or something similar to it. What we've done is we do a lot of Wolfbox mirror installs here at Agile Offroad. We do all the wiring and all that, and over the years of having them, it's been a really good application. One of the things that's been a little finicky is actually mounting it to the factory mirror, especially after they came out with a new mirror. It's a little bit heavier. We've come out with a billet mount, and it's a really elegant part, and this part allows you to utilize the factory ball, and I'll show you how to take your mirror off and then mount this. Basically, there's gonna be 4 screws on the back, and then once removing the mirror, we'll show you the clip you gotta remove. Pretty simple. It's probably about, I don't know, 10, 15-minute job, if that. So let's take a look. When you get your bracket, it's gonna be assembled. There's gonna be no hardware. You are gonna get a wrench for tightening it down after it's been installed. This enables you to come in there and tighten it down. You can use your fingers, but nice little wrench. And this will also not allow you to over tighten it. If you over tighten it, it's gonna open up. Here's a brand new Wolfbox. Just invert it like this and get a small little pick. Each one of these, you're gonna need to come in here and pull off this rubber doohickey and expose the little Phillips head underneath. Let's get a little screwdriver. Now that the screws have been removed or loosened, you're gonna come in here and kind of pick up this little piece. We are gonna save the screws. So we've gotten all these little adapter pieces for the rubber bands. We've gotten those out. We're gonna discard this stuff here. And when you get this piece, you're gonna see there's these little nubs there. You wanna get that in there. You wanna make sure that you get it all the way seated in there. It's a extremely tight fit. And then we're gonna take each one of these screws and drop it down in there. So this screwdriver here worked really well. It's got a small diameter. You don't need to over tighten these. They're extremely small. Probably not even a 3mm screw. And then again, make sure it's seated in there and gives these a little bit of a twisty torque, and you're mounted. That's it. So now what we're gonna do when we go to install this, you're gonna remove this. You're gonna slide this over. There's gonna be a ball in there, and we'll show you the ball. You're gonna slide over this. You're gonna snap the ball into there, and then you're gonna tighten this down. Similar to the factory one, it's gonna crimp down over the ball. Before we get into the Grenadier, I'll show you this one. This one's already been removed, and you're gonna go in there and you're gonna need to pull this little clip off here. So on the back side of the factory one, there's a clip. So you gotta get up in there with the screwdriver and pop it off, take the clip off, and then we'll install the Wolfbox. And let's go take a look at installing it in there and show you how easy it goes. There we go. So now you can see that just pops right off. Took a little bit of effort, but it wasn't too terrible. So now let's put on the Wolfbox with the Agile mount. Unthread this guy here. This is all billet aluminum. And then this is the special material. We worked really hard to get that material right so that when we tighten this down, it holds it really good. So you're gonna slide that over the ball. Just let it rest there. You're gonna take this guy and you're gonna press it on. Doesn't take too much. You wanna make sure you get your threads on there nice and square, and you're done. So now when you do your final adjustment after you get it into place, you can put the wrench up in there, and you're done. That's it. Some of the key features on this, we've actually mounted this up fairly high. The weight of the Wolfbox is here, not necessarily in the center. We've got all these billet components. We're utilizing a factory style crimp where we're crimping all the way around. It's also just elegant looking, you know. You got complete access for the camera over here to where it sees out the front. It's a nice part, you know, and installs easy. You go to doing the rest of the box, wiring and all that, there's a bunch involved there. Again, we do all that here at the shop. So if you want to have that done, just give us a shout. If you're doing it on your own, good luck and be patient and get all that stuff done. But we got the mirror installed down. And once again, this is the one that has the 3 cameras. Once they went to the 3 cameras, that mirror got a bit heavier. So we really wanted to have a more durable mount. That's it. Nice, easy install for you. You can see really, really good out the back. So not only is the INEOS Grenadier hard to see out of factory, as well when you're putting in panels for carrying gear, things like that, it makes it difficult. On mine, I've got MOLLE panels in the back, and it's like looking through a pillbox, so extremely hard to see. So the Wolfbox is a great advantage. Happy trails, everybody.